Hi friends, welcome to Accessible Computing YouTube channel. Accessible Computing, access to technology with accessibility. This is your tech assistant Ratul. Friends, do you want to upload reels on Instagram? If yes, then like the video and share the video with your friends and family. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for latest uploads. Comment your valuable opinion into the comment section. And also, if you love to use Instagram and if you love our tutorials, if you love me, then you can follow me on Instagram. I have shared my Instagram profile into the video description box and the first comment. So let's start. So friends, to upload a reel to your Instagram profile, just go to your Instagram app.
Lifestyle. Open. Instagram. IGTV 1530.
Then click on
Profile.
Profile.
Tab 5 of 5.
which is the last tab. You can find it the bottom right corner of your screen. I'm clicking on Profile.
Profile. TALKBACK button.
After that, I'm swiping from left to right.
Create new button.
So first option is Create New button. Just click on Create New.
Close button.
There are several options there. So I'm just swiping from left to right to check the options.
Create heading.
Create.
Post and list.
Post is a general post with photo.
Reel.
Reel. The second option is Reel. And others.
Story.
Story.
Story highlight.
Story highlight.
Live.
Live.
Guide.
Guide. Okay, so now we have to choose Reel.
Story. Reel. Instagram.
So either you can choose your photo, your selfie or your back camera to record the Reel live, or you can choose any video from your video library. Okay, so now I'm showing you how you can choose any video from your library. I'm swiping from left to right.
Flash off. But back to home. Disco light button. Color. Disco light button.
Disco light. These are quite inaccessible for us because we are not able to see our face. So if you have any sighted assistant, you can easily record any reel with your selfie camera or back camera.
Color. Shutter button. Gallery button.
Okay, so this is the gallery button. If you want to upload any videos from your gallery, then double tap on it.
Gallery. Drop down menu. Gallery.
So I'm swiping from left to right again.
042. Row 1. Column
This is the
1.
first video.
Grid. 515 rows. 3. Video thumbnail button.
So if you choose this video, just double tap on it. The video will start playing. Okay, so after playing, you have to find the next button or done button or something like this. I will tell you. Okay, so let me choose.
আপনি যদি ফেলিওর হয়ে গিয়েছেন তো তাহলে এটা কখনো ভাববেন না যে ফেল করার অর্থ ব্যর্থ হয়ে যাওয়া কারণ ফেল শব্দটার
So just click on add button.
At 2131888 flash off button.
I have clicked on add button, then the video is now added. So if you click on preview, then the video will be played again. So let me preview the video, then I will come back to the main video and show you the next step.
Processing.
So while you click on preview, you can listen all the videos, and your video should be less than or equal to 1 minute. I mean, you can upload any videos up to 1 minute as your reel. When you click on preview button, the video will be played from top to bottom. After that, you have to click on save button. You will find the save button by left to right swiping. Okay, so after that it says processing. So while it's processing, just go and subscribe our channel, and you can also join our Telegram channel. The link is the description below, and in the channel we have shared lots of tricks, lots of tips, lots of posts and much more. So
Processing. Window
okay,
processing.
it's still processing. So after processing, I'm coming back to the video.
Processing. Instagram. Back button.
So
Share the
friends,
reel.
after
Recommend.
clicking on save button, it will process your video and sound also, and then it will play again. So after that, what you need to do is just click on next button. The next button you will find by swiping left right. After that you will get the options.
Anyone recommend on Facebook. Write a caption. Share to Reels.
So this is the option, share to Reels. Then
double tap to change cover photo.
So if you want to change your cover photo of your Instagram, you can easily change from here, but I'm not showing how to do this right now.
Write a caption, edit box.
Here you can write the captions, the title, the hashtags, everything. So I have just pasted a text.
No text to paste. Suggestions of your video made. Do you know the real meaning of double tap to, do you know the real meaning of fail? Fail doesn't carry the meaning. Failure for full stop. Then your video may appear in Reels and can be seen on the Reels tab of your profile.
Above the options.
Also share to feed.
Okay, so also share to feed.
Tick box. Crop profile image.
Crop profile image.
Tag people.
Tag people if you want to tag someone, so you can tag easily.
Rename audio. Original audio.
Rename audio. Original audio. You can rename the original file, original audio file, not video file, audio file. So I'm not going to end depth.
Add location.
You can add location.
Remove button.
Remove. You can remove.
Mahishtala, India.
So just at the top of the bottom,
share button.
You will find this button, share button. Just click on share button and your Reels will be shared.
Reel by Rad.
So this is the way you can share the reel. And now, how can you check the reels shared or not? See.
Reel by Rattle Basak at row 1, column 2, button.
This is my reel.
Reel by Rattle Basak at row 1.
This is my reel.
Tab. Reel by Rattle Basak.
So when you click on activity, you will see the reels available.
List.
Okay. See if I click on this reel.
Back button. Out. Reel by video sound off. Reel by Rattle Basak. Good morning.
So this reel I have uploaded today morning. Okay, so I'm not playing this reel. If you click on
video sound off,
video sound on off button, the video sound will be on and the reel will automatically start to play. Because all the reels, when you play one reel, if it completed, then another reel will be played automatically. You don't need to do any next. So this is the way you can upload any reel on your Instagram profile. So this is for today. If you love me and if you love to see my videos, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and join us on Telegram channel. The links are available in the description. Also the Instagram link is available in first comment. So friends, see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe. Take care. Bye bye.